Alright, this video has been making rounds on social media, but I'm wondering, with what the person is saying in this video, that this that you're looking at now is some alleged vote buying. But what is taking place according to the take of this video is that the person in this car is buying votes. So they are getting money. These persons lined outside and they are being paid to vote for a specific person. But I'm thinking to myself now, if they're even giving out money to these persons so that man just get free money, if they're giving out money to these persons, how would they be assured that these persons are actually voting for who they say they are voting for? Because if you know how the polling station is set up, they wouldn't technically have anyone to see where their X's are marked. If I'm wrong, somebody correct me, but I don't believe it. And I think this is just another ploy to just kind of muddy the advances our electoral system has been made. And it's quite unfortunate, but if I'm wrong, I hope someone can correct me.